A value chain is the full range of activities including design, production, marketing and distribution businesses conduct to bring a product or service from conception to delivery. For companies that produce goods, the value chain starts with the raw materials to make their products, and consists of everything added before the product is sold to consumers. A value chain is a set of activities that a firm operating in a specific industry performs in order to deliver a valuable product or service for the market. Porter's value chain framework. Harvard Business School's Michael E. Porter was the first to introduce the concept of a value chain. Competitive advantage cannot be understood by looking at a firm as a whole, Porter wrote. It stems from the many discrete activities a firm performs in designing, producing, marketing, delivering and supporting its product. Each of these activities can contribute to a firm's relative cost position and create a basis for differentiation. 5 Forces model to show businesses where they rank in competition in the current marketplace, discussed the value chain concept in his book Competitive Advantage, Creating and Sustaining Superior Performance. Primary activities are directly concerned with creating and delivering a product. They can be grouped into 5 main areas: inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. Each of these primary activities is linked to support activities which help to improve their effectiveness or efficiency, and according to Porter, 1985, primary activities relate directly to the physical creation, sale, maintenance and support of a product or service. Inbound logistics. Goods being obtained from the organization's suppliers and to be used for producing the end product. Inbound logistics includes the receiving, storing and distributing of raw materials used in the production process. These are all the processes related to receiving, storing, and distributing inputs internally. Your supplier relationships are a key factor in creating value here. Operations. Raw materials and goods are manufactured into the final product. Value is added to the product at this stage as it moves through the production line. Operations is the stage at which the raw materials are turned into the final product. These are the transformation activities that change inputs into outputs that are sold to customers. Here, your operational systems create value. Outbound logistics. These activities deliver your product or service to your customer. These are things like collection, storage, and distribution systems, and they may be internal or external to your organization. Products have been manufactured, they are ready to be distributed to distribution centers, wholesalers, retailers or customers. Distribution of finished goods is known as outbound logistics. Outbound logistics is the distribution of the final product to consumers. Marketing and sales involve advertising, promotions, sales force organization, distribution channels, and pricing and managing the final product to ensure it targets the appropriate consumer groups. Marketing must make sure that the product is targeted towards the correct customer group. The marketing mix is used to establish an effective strategy. Any competitive advantage is clearly communicated to the target group through the promotional mix. These are the processes you use to persuade clients to purchase from you instead of your competitors. The benefits you offer, and how well you communicate them, are sources of value here. Service is the activities needed to maintain the product's performance after it has been produced, including installation, training, maintenance, repair, warranty and after-sales services. These are the activities related to maintaining the value of your product or service to your customers once it's been purchased. Support activities. These activities support the primary functions above. In our diagram, the dotted lines show that each support, or secondary, activity can play a role in each primary activity. For example, procurement supports operations with certain activities, but it also supports marketing and sales with other activities. Support activities assist the primary activities in helping the organization achieve its competitive advantage. There are 4 main areas of support activities: procurement, technology development, including R&D, human resource management, infrastructure, systems for planning, finance, quality, information management, etc. Firm infrastructures. Firm infrastructure refers to an organization's structure and its management, planning, accounting, finance and quality control mechanisms. Every organization needs to ensure that their finances, legal structure and management structure work efficiently and helps drive the organization forward. Inefficient infrastructures waste resources, could affect the firm's reputation and even leave it open to fines and sanctions. Human resource management. Human resource management includes the activities involved in hiring and retaining the proper employees to help design, build and market the product. Company recruits, hires, trains, motivates, rewards, and retains its workers. People are a significant source of value, so businesses can create a clear advantage with good HR practices. Technological development. Technology development can be used in the research and development stage, in how new products are developed and designed, and in process automation. These activities relate to managing and processing information, as well as protecting a company's knowledge base. Minimizing information technology costs, staying current with technological advances, and maintaining technical excellence are sources of value creation. Procurement. Procurement is how the raw materials for the product are obtained. Organization does to get the resources it needs to operate. This includes finding vendors and negotiating best prices.